Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our course English Communication for the Tech World. In today's lecture, we will discuss how to write effective documentation and reports. In technical and professional environments, documentation plays a very important role because it helps communicate ideas, processes, and results clearly. Good documentation ensures that information is easy to understand, well organized, and useful for the intended readers. If documentation is poorly written, it can cause confusion, misunderstanding, and mistakes. So, let us explore some important principles that help us to write clearly and effectively in technical documentation and reports. So, the first one is the first and the important step in writing effective documentation is to understand your audience. Before writing any technical document, you should ask yourself a simple question: who will read this document? Your readers might be engineers, managers, clients, or end users, and each group has different levels of technical knowledge. For example, engineers may understand detailed technical explanations, algorithms, and system architecture. However, managers or clients may refer high level explanations and summarizes rather than deep technical details. Similarly, end users usually need simple instructions that help them operate a product without requiring technical knowledge. Because of this, the writer must understand the tone, knowledge, and technical depth according to the audience. If your audience is highly technical, you can include more detailed explanation and specialized terms. But if your audience is non technical, you should simplify the language and avoid unnecessary technical complexity. Understanding the audience helps ensure that message is clear, relevant, and easy to understand. So, the second important principle is to organize information clearly. A well organized document helps readers quickly understand the information and locate the sessions and we can say the sections they need. In many technical reports, a common and widely used structure is called the IMRAD format. IMRAD stands for Introduction, Methods, Results, and Discussion. So, let us briefly understand each part. The introduction explains the purpose and background of the work. It tells the reader what the document is about and why the work is important. Next is the methods section. This section explains how the data was collected or how the task was performed. It describes the procedures, tools, or techniques used during the process. After that comes the results section. This part presents the findings or outcomes of the work. It may include data, observations, or measurements. Finally, the discussion section explains the meaning of the results. It includes interpretation, conclusion, and sometimes recommendations for the future work. This structured format helps readers follow the document logically and understand the information step by step. Another important principle of effective documentation is to use plain English. Technical writing should always aim to communicate ideas clearly and simply. Sometimes writers use complicated words or formal expressions that make sentences difficult to understand. However, using simple and direct language makes communication more effective. Let us take a simple example. Instead of writing, utilize the application to initiate data retrieval. You can write, use the app to get the data. Both sentences communicate the same idea, but the second one is simpler, clearer, and easier to understand. Using plain English helps ensure that readers can quickly understand the message without confusion. Another important Yes. Another important step in writing effective documentation is editing and proofreading. Even if a document contains valuable information, errors in grammar, spellings, or formatting can make it appear unprofessional. Therefore, writers should always review their work carefully before finalizing it. During proofreading, you should check several things. First, check for grammar and spelling error. Second, ensure that document has a logical flow, meaning that ideas are organized clearly and connected smoothly. Third, check for consistent terminology and formatting. For example, if you use a certain term of abbreviation in one section, it should be used consistently throughout the document. Careful editing improves both the quality and credibility of technical documentation. Now, moving on, let us talk about another important concept in technical communication, which is technical jargon. So, technical jargon refers to specialized words or terms used in specific professional or technical fields. These terms are often understood easily by experts but may be confusing for people who are not familiar with the field. Some examples of technical jargon in technology include terms like API, UI, UX, bandwidth, encryption, latency, and compiler. These terms are very common in technical industry, but someone outside the field might not understand them immediately. This is why understanding how to manage jargons is important in technical communication. Now, the question arises, why jargon matters? Because jargons can be both useful and challenging. Among experts and professionals in the same field, jargon helps communicate ideas quickly and effectively. However, when the audience includes non technical readers, jargons can create confusion and make the document difficult to understand. For example, if a report is written only for software developers, technical terms may be perfectly acceptable. But if the same report is intended for managers or clients, the writer may need to explain those terms more clearly. Now, how to manage technical jargons is a very important question, as there are several ways to manage technical jargons effectively in technical writing. First, when writing for mixed audience, try to use simple explanations whenever possible. Second, when introducing a technical term, it is helpful to define or explain the term the first time it appears. For example, a writer might say the API or application programming interface allows different software systems to communicate with each other. By explaining the term once, the writer helps readers understand it more easily. Another useful method is to include glossaries or footnotes for complex terms. A glossary is a list of technical terms along with their definition, usually placed at the end of the document. This allows readers to look up unfamiliar words whenever needed. Using these strategies help maintain a balance between technical accuracy and technical and reader understanding. So here we conclude our today's lecture by, I would like to say that by following all these principles, technical writers can create documentation that is clear, professional, and easy to understand. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.